teaching you the original arrangement of Silent Night, the original melody, even though it's in a different key. I think it'd be really, really great if I could teach you how to sing it in the original German language. Even though it was written in Salzburg, Austria, it's German, and there are different dialects of German. So I had one father actually criticize when I was trying to teach his kid how to sing in German. He had learned how to sing this in Bulgarian German. So when you go to sing Silent Night or Stille Nacht in the original German, if you pull it up on the internet, you're going to find different ways that people pronounce some of the words. And so I'm going to give you the easiest pronunciation. Just like in America, if you go down to South Carolina, Georgia, of course they speak a different kind of English than we do up here, or in New Jersey, or in New York, or Boston. Well, the same way it is in Germany too. Okay, so there's two different ways you can actually sing this, and I'll give you both ways. But first of all, you know, your last name is Gutschall, so that's actually my mother's side of the family. They were Gutschall, and my great-grandmother, she spoke German because they were from the Pennsylvania Dutch ancestry. So my dad's side of the family is Pick. They came straight from Germany, so naturally I had to learn German. And I took it through high school and through college, so I learned all the different dialects. Before I actually teach you how to pronounce it, we're going to learn how to pronounce it before you sing it. I need to point out what the words mean. So stille or stille, depends on how you're going to pronounce it, means silent. Nacht, night. Heilige, holy. Nacht, night. Alles means everything. Schläft, asleep. Einsam, lonely. Wacht, wait, like a lonely vigil, like a lonely wait. And nur means just. Das Traute, the trust or the trusting. Hochheilige, highly holy, high holy or holy, you could just say. Paar, pair. Hoter means they're holding. Nap or knapp. Depends on if you want to make the case silent. Some people, when they sing it, will make the case silent. Okay, Hoter, knapp, or nap means boy. Im, in the, or just with, could actually be translated with. Lockigen, which means curly. Haar, means hair. Schlaf, sleep. In means same thing, in. Himmlische, heavenly. Ruhe, quietness, calmness. Schlaf in himmlischer Ruhe. So, what is the direct translation of it? I put it down here at the bottom of your paper. Silent night, holy night, everything is calm on this lonely vigil or lonely wait. Round young godly tender pair, or over there, look, the godly tender pair, talking about Mary and Jesus. Holy infant with curly hair. They took some liberty on that one there. That's not in the Bible. But they believe that Jesus would have had blonde curly hair. Sleeps in heavenly peace. Sleeps in heavenly peace. Okay, so that's the direct translation of this. And of course, by the time Silent Night got to New York City, they had to translate to English. And of course, whenever you're translating something from another language, you know, you want to get the rhyme in there, just like they did with the original poem. So they changed a couple of the words around, and we have now Silent Night, Holy Night, all is calm, all is bright, instead of on this lonely vigil. Round young virgin, mother and child, that's pretty much the same. Round young godly, tender pair. Holy infant, so tender and mild. Well, we have holy infant with curly hair. Okay? So next video I'm going to make, I'm going to go over the translation of it, and then start singing it. So what I would recommend doing is try singing it in English first, and then we'll work on adding the German to it. Okay? So I'm going to send this over to you, and you should get it soon in an email, and then just start practicing it. All right?